Hello, welcome back. Jeff Moody, jeffmoody.com, jeffmoodymd.com, jeffmoody.com. We're talking about burnout. These are weekly video tips to help you with burnout recovery. And I hate to say it, but this is a giant one for me. And most studies would show that this is also a big deal as far as source of burnout. And I hate to pin it on one thing, but we're going to say the electronic medical record. Those our three favorite words perhaps in the entire English language are electronic medical record. And the issue with it isn't that it works poorly. The issue is the amount of time and energy it takes for us to interact with it. In my personal research, 100% of physicians would count it as a source of their burnout. So clearly, since we know it's a source of or driver of burnout, I know for me personally, it added an hour plus to my day when we went fully electronic medical record, with really a lot of the tasks being offloaded. The best things that I did, and the studies also show there's probably a 70+% chance that the better you interact with your EMR, the less your burnout will be, the happier you'll be. So and I am completely guilty of this. Number one, I think you need to learn as much as possible about your EMR so then you can use it as effectively as possible, because there's a number of little tricks and tips and presets and other things that really make it fairly easy to use. And so I think whatever your specific EMRs, you need to learn those things, number one. Number two, I still think I would recommend using some sort of a voice interface if humanly possible. And some of the most advanced versions of those voice recognition systems are very, very, very good, like 99+%. And they get all the two, and twos and all the there, and there's correct. So I understand your frustration. I understand that electronic medical record is a big driver of burnout. I don't think it's going away. I do think there's some benefits to it. So please make your peace with your electronic medical record. Learn as much as you can. Use voice recognition if you can. Offload tasks if you can. Use automated logging in and out if you can with like proximity cards. Just saves you some key taps, but logging in and out, 20 taps, 20 touches times 20 times a day times 200 times a year. It's a lot of saved touches if you can use a prox card. So use and get the help you need for your burnout. We're here, Jeff Moody, MD, jeffmoodymd.com, jeffmoody.com. The Doctor is Burned Out, Physician's Guide to Recovery is my book on Amazon. Burnout Recovery is for You is my online course. Get the help you need. And again, remember, burnout recovery is for you.